FASA during the Record Book Committee meeting recommended the possibility of growing the trophy book regarding black rhino, because South Africa has the opportunity to champion 3 species, which 2 of those species can be exported to the United States if our US Fish and Wildlife strategy works and our enhancement works. So the trophy book will look at it and take huge consideration into it, and that we'll hopefully in the near future will hear good things about enhancement through the trophy and the record book. We must always remember that the record book is not just for the record, it's also part of record keeping, and by acknowledging that there's separate rhino species, you're automatically enhancing the life of that animal and its future.
Okay, a quick feedback on Fish and Wildlife that we visited. We discussed a number of animals. The first one that we did was the giraffe. We brought scientific documentation towards them, for them, so they're busy with legislation and prohibitions on giraffe, and hopefully that will make a big difference. Second one that we did, we discussed the black rhino and the brown hyena imports. And then the most important thing that we discussed was collaboration between FASA and US Fish and Wildlife, that we have an open line of discussion, and they will ask us in the future for more information. And I think that whole visit opened a lot of doors for us so that we can engage with US Fish and Wildlife and provide them the necessary information as they require it.